Nowadays, there's a lot of different meditations. Is there like a best meditation for everybody, or is it different?
So the fundamental thing is to get familiar with awareness. We can use music as support for meditation. Then fine. As I mentioned before, anything can be used support for meditation. But if we don't understand that, the meditation, if you think meditation is looking for peace, calm, joy, and try to get rid of this destructive thought and emotion, then meditation becomes quite difficult, because then we need to fight all the time. Shh, I'm meditating. Keep quiet. This is not right place for meditation. I'm looking for the good environment. Or I have pain. Or this thought, this thought is disturbing my meditation. Ooh. So then, then you cannot. Then the panic cannot become your friend. Depression cannot become your friend. So, but if you connect with awareness, and awareness can be friend with everything. So problem becomes solution, obstacle become opportunity. When I was young, I had panic attacks. My father said, okay, I will teach you how to, become free from panic. And I was so happy. Yes, please teach me. And what my father said, are you breathing? Yeah, of course, I'm not dead yet. I'm live, so I'm breathing. Good. That is meditation. What? And my father said, yes, be with your own breath. And that will help you panic. How come? Being with the breath, and it will help my panic. So it's kind of like two different directions. What I want is try to get rid of panic, but you're saying breath is important. Don't care about panic. And this watching the breath is look like stupid, Today is breathing, tomorrow again breathing, next day again is breathing. So I thought it may not help my panic, but actually it helps. Then I asked my father why, and he said because of awareness. Awareness is our fundamental quality. When we connect to our fundamental quality, we feel more happy.